I just missed it. I missed thunder. You can still hear it. Oh my gosh. First time that I've hailed here for like 3 years. Well, not 3 years, but.
It's okay, baby.
I want to see if I can get thunder on camera, so I'm going to wait.
Can I go get my cord outside? Thank you.
Oh, there's another one. Look at that. It's like Minecraft rain. I want to see if I can. Look at that. It's like straight hail. Oh my god! Come here, you guys! It's. Oh my god!
Holy crap.
Oh my gosh, you guys! Look at that!
I'm gonna look at.
Look at that, you guys. Alright. I might pick up the camera in a minute, but yeah, that's it.